Asem Yi Di Ka, Asem Yi Di Ka.
Inna Beka.
Akwasi insia.
Commander 6.
Kano sedi etie.
Na bia maka cho se de be ka se de simitie. Yen kwa de kan yen fa bin kan yen nyi bi so emfa mfiri mu. Yen twa asem fantu obi so. Yen kwa na ye kan asem ye de oboni de na be ka no. Na nya resource aye hwehwe. Mede de akwasi insia. Asem Yi Di Ka bre e na edru so. And we share what say about Queen Betimi Afas will revive Tema Oil Refinery. And then the reminder to the President of the Republic, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, in his stakeholder and consultation on a year energy sector, penophobi a year no. One of the key promises I know woman say, TOR will work again. So I'm not making kind TOR, my phone kabumko, krato modeba bonting, reminding the President about his promise. So a Tema Oil Refinery as a Jina and so ABM. And now what a board member, a former board member of TOR. Catcher say as of the time I no more a free office no money and crowd could be asking sign krata. I be bearded now say this month you also started it and near ma bet me abua. I'm ya revive TOR no it's me eba. So they are looking forward to that. Now the quick mammy kwa maso na kodi and kumu embramene the vice chairman Edma TOR and Kabum Kuo, Edmefo Kabum Kuo, which is Unico, that is senior staff association of TOR. Men Ekodi Egora Joshua Quesikwe. Na yan two of us have not seen. There's other like me on maybe to us on the pay Edema. Ora Joshua, good morning.
Morning.
Boko dear.
Boko senior.
Near Dick can TOR Edmefo Moka winting up to now TOR into me Juana.
That's what that is.
Dear Nessia Tema Oil Refinery. Ya na ki enim no enye na dwuma se ne se fata.
According to you, TOR dey aban adwuma, it is aban ni ba na odin hye pa gu ha. Yan as workers union there, ye ni asem bi aka. If aban ni policy direction better, it's the duty of the workers union and all the workers to support the aban no ya adwuma. Ya workers resist ya ni say ye be adwuma. That's all. Yeah, no, we are not in there for politics. And we are not in there for any media banter. All what workers want is for the refinery to work again. So if you come with your policies and it's better for us, we will support you and we will work. That is all what we want to do.
Juma Hodom. Yeri Kokebi Abe say, may the true state of Tema Oil Refinery.
You can't Tema Oil Refinery, the true state in it, and we have to refine crude oil so that there will be petroleum products on market. For some time now, no, we have not been able to do so because the TOR itself is limping and we are not getting any partner to help us to work. The Sia workers in the say, Abaya Abafu free. And no near work so. We can't fight to buy exposed milk. The old government is gone. The new one is in. All what we are waiting. Now, Bano, on find a policy direction and the workers want to work and the union is there to support. All what the union is to do is to partner management and the government to run the place and run it well. But finally, see a problem here. When you want to run it, you can run it. We are only waiting for a good governance who will bring us every good policy that will follow. Just like what we were trying to do. And some people didn't allow it to happen. We are not there to be sitting down. We are there to work. That is why we went there. So if we are there to work and you are not bringing us to work, workers have nothing to do. It's in the hands of the government. TOR workers cannot force the government to say move around the place. So we are saying that they should come and run the place for us. And we will give them our maximum support. Whatever government that comes and run the place, we will support. We are not there for politics.
And to be bold, Joshua's and ne, so Ukwa Juma, dear Panamoye.
Fine. TOR, dear, Jumano, dear, also, every we have transmitting business, we have maintenance business. So as we speak, You know, sir, even if it's not the government that pays us, our work that we do pays us. We do transmission a lot. People store their product, we transfer product, we do blending and correct people's, product which are not good. So we do a lot of work there. The laboratories are working. We have third parties. So TOR is still viable and we are working.
So the core mandate ake nim se TOR ebe refine ye crude no. Ye ka said ye enye no bi na mo ye.
Yes, we are not refining. That is the core mandate. But we are doing other subsidiary jobs, which we are also doing it. And that is what is giving us the money and TOR is running.
Sometimes
so we want the government to bring policies that will come and run the place. The plants are there. We are already waiting for crude oil to be given to us to work.
Okay.
If a partner will come and run it better, we will accept that. We are all waiting for that. If the government is not ready, we should look for a lucrative partner and we will work with that person. We will support the person and the work will go on. That is all what we want.
Sometimes
we don't need anything more than TOR should come up again on stream.
Joshua, sometimes when the government officials complaints are a bitter, especially the previous administration. ABS said, one, workers now more TOR no a problem to why TOR now. Yes, she must be 8 million. Problem ni be say, a man for Pokra near more de boss, and storm crano, or be funny a boon kunta and so chrono air cost our TOR. As workers' union, executives am one of sad way, come and I'm fast to a mood delay with this situation.
When you say chrono air cost, chrono will go on in the leadership position or in the government sector. Not we the workers. The workers there, we are there to work with whoever will come and work with us. When we see it as a union leaders or executives of a workers' body, we will have to complain. Sometimes we channel it through our leadership, management and board. Sometimes we can even go beyond our bonds, which we know we are not supposed to do.
Okay.
But all is in the interest of the workers. We are there to seek the welfare of workers and nothing else. If the people are working at management and they are doing their politics, our power does not reach there. Our power is to make sure that we partner management to bring good policies and we work for our workers also to enjoy their daily bread. That is all why we are there. We are not there to see who is stealing and who is doing that. Because all these things we are talking about, they know it very well. They know it very well. And wherever it is coming from to, they are aware. If you bring your product and work on it and something, then you can speak to it. But you are not working. You are just there and you keep saying that workers are still workers. Workers, what are we stealing? Workers are not there to steal. We are there to work.
Okay.
It is the government who should bring us the work so that our core mandate will go on.
Okay. So Joshua, before I jamu is it true, say, the previous government na coin no reached agreement with Net Oil, so may invest in TOR na starting adwuma?
Nyameka afa we hu say, as I'm sitting here now, we were only informed that they were in a partnership agreement.
Okay.
Whether it was signed or not signed, I am not privy to it. But all what we are saying is, if any agreement is signed in that order, if the current government wants to continue it, we should take it up and go through it. If everything is clear and the workers will also be known to it and the policy direction is okay, we are going to support it. Because we want the refinery to work once again. Do our core mandate. That is all what we want.
That's it. Yeah, Joshua. So Joshua Kwesikwe, a vice chairman, Edema Senior Staff Association, yeah. Or more Tema Oil Refinery, that's Unicof. You could have to send no air train and common. So send no near cano. And now, if you answer the atosono. All that you hear say Tema Oil Refinery, ebe ye juma finito. Excuses upon excuses are yet too much. We are not ready for any other excuses, BABM. Tema Oil Refinery must work. Ye nyine nim say eye adwuma mfa so de a e de bro man. Ye nyina nim krofo a Tema Oil Refinery ko etimi eformo adwuma when they are working at its peak. Ye nyina nim the kind of sika na Tema Oil Refinery at the bre of mine no. And Mekato said they were contributing between 5 to 7% to the national GDP. Only tall. It's a barman and a conwa. Fem who bought the beer that years to say emra from no. One or the other bit me up from kakra. Because Kromoko kra any free amonone ebeninano. Sa a year a ship near the idea nina guma de ebeninano. It's such as in neguso. It's Nyamia Adom. Naka na yakasi ye to crude ewa. Nasi yet me to call Tema Oil Refinery, a refinery at the Maya. Some of these cost components, a bit free on them, and automatically to affect the pricing. Now, Basso Babashe, a 12 dua, that your fem go eso. Yet himself fair this new government, about the first budget. Baba men ni encohonum. Yes, a 12 dua, and that your fem was so, or your memunso. We have no other reason to enter yet you matter Tema Oil Refinery and Tanya Jumabim. Because no make a choice the same. Penina or no a seat Tema Oil Refinery when you baby econ. Tema was not gonna crown for so more from grow say you been your oil and as a binya. Or no procret me and so I don't want to see kako shemu esoya dia. I didn't know yet me took fame when be our yememono. You couldn't bet in the refinery. What kind of work I say can and economic viable, economic viable. Then we'll talk about who can say somebody can walk to the Gugua. What can say economic viable and can send you all your baby cigar. Economically is viable. You can say be ya, ye be ye. Ye nya bron ye nya se because say we a minister, we a bamnipa, we nya a fu coupon, educator for it, fu a price shed a yaw. Yan mi amam for ho kakra enye obi na safu coupon na wunya no wonya bie ete kwan so betimi afaso a obetimi compensate ni pa na say kwan betimi afaso ama fam ho bo no etimi aba form de ama no na nam ko kan minister bi si akwasifu coupon na ya hia nam si jaije 5 cities a jaije ya boa no 4 years kan bo edu enya hibia so moje. So koya betimi afaso a o man no have take care of obi a we aban appointee. You make sure at least who betimi ato not because who beto because we are superhuman no. Say the bia obenya asumdie papa. Anything as aban for adwuma niam ba bia kwakotena as a government appointee. Ya peso kwakotena fiewura bi dem na ade chi ade sen ya so maye de ntino ne yetu afiri wo. Etu ye minister utimi nya asumdie fa nya adwuma e no man na provide we nyina ade ama. For you to have a peace of mind to work for our benefit. And it's difficult. Yet at the fair say, I did come say. Obi dia edia maye. Yengu sunsu na swaba maye nyina ye nesro e difficult de maye. Why? Ebi na make share N1. America buy ne brace come here yes akwan no. Street light abosu nyina ewu. Ghana abanso wontimi nya sika for a street light for more e kwan so. Street light abo eye N1 ni so nyina from tire to tire. Ebie no ye adwuma. And amount for shops here be on chain or more light the two at the kwan so. E kuya ye ya ban ka pressing poa ensha da enkom papa bia. Aban to street light e fa mo kwan so keke. I hate difficult. Man would try ya metedodo. O man would try ya metedodo. Any say you never cook abroach, I don't have time so upon me, or more ben you to show mo. Or me to show mo. Why should it be so? Me did the acquisitions here. I mean, I said more papa and patron saying it here. Who shall say yellow no. Eye deep nkotona bontin baby mo bi emfa kofa fake bi anfa ma obenom soft drinker no malt no wo me say aduane ewom malt no nko ansa wo de come de pa na otu ani anya aduane bia eni a just to stabilize you ohia malt Guinness numbi ne bede da bidi dia kwesi nsia Asem Yi Di Ka di pese mu eto aso akra
Asem Yi Di Ka, Asem Yi Di Ka.